How you going, guys? Marty Fox here, CEO of White Fox Real Estate, and of course, the new judge on the block. Come inside and take a look at the home that Charlotte and I have just recently renovated, but make sure you don't judge too hard. Let's go have a look. So this is where you find us once the kids are all asleep.
This is my corner.
I'm over here. We just sit here and we look around at the renovation.
It's been a long 3 months of doing it.
Yeah, so this is our 14th renovation.
Yes.
We tend to try and find that Victorian or Edwardian style house.
Because we like really big ceilings. We love decorating it with lighting. The kids just love the big rooms too.
The previous house that we were living in was quite disconnected, so it was a bit more traditional, and the kitchen and the living weren't connected, which annoyed us quite a lot.
Yes.
So having this nice big open plan space, it's fun to be in. You've got a really good knack for finding incredible marble.
It's a Calcutta but with the green veins through it. I love it.
When we do kitchens, we always do white.
Yeah, we just wanted it light and bright.
And we do it smart. We'll spend good money on marbles, but these cupboards are actually quite cheap. It's all laminates, and we spend money on the things that you actually see, like the handles and the coffee machine.
Yeah.
We don't go too excessive on appliances.
Except for this one. With 3 kids, had to have that.
Really love what we've done with the kids' bathroom. The entire wet areas do not have a single tile, so it's just Venetian plaster and 37 slabs of marble.
Ridiculous.
Crazy, but really easy to keep clean. The sinks are a feature. They almost look like a piece of furniture in themselves. We've got this great sitting area where 2 parents can sit whilst all the kids are in the bath. If anyone's got multiple children in the middle of a renovation,
This setup is so good.
welcome to the master suite of the house. The biggest feature here, I think, for us is just this incredible light fitting that Charlotte has imported from Europe.
So it's a Barovia and Torso vintage light made by Murano glass.
And we fell in love with the proportions, of this house and the rooms. I mean, this room's essentially the size of the first apartment that we ever bought and renovated together, literally. As we were renovating this property, we actually had 4 beds lined up behind us, and this is where we would sleep. But we've got an incredible home gym. It's where we start most days, so very lucky to have that. So as you can see, inside's pretty special, but it was actually outside that we really fell in love with for the 3 kids. This just caps off a really great family home and something that we've enjoyed so much building together, and I can assure you it won't be the last.